What is going on YouTube? Murderkiss back here doing the valve cover on my N52 engine. This is probably one of the most tedious jobs I've ever done. Right there's the Valvetronic motor. I got all the ignition coils out. Definitely need these picks for the job. If you don't have them, go buy them. It's like $1. And then toolbox. Here's a bunch of bolts that I went through. I just bagged them up when I'm ready to put them back. But there's all the coverings. Let me show you the engine taken off. Mine's got like 170,000 miles on it. Doesn't look too bad. Chain feels good. I checked these bolts. They're torqued down right. Sometimes they get loose over time. There's where the eccentric shaft motor goes, I believe. Or the Valvetronic system. You can see like that little ring right there. But yeah guys, I'm just cleaning the gasket, and I'm gonna put this upgraded aluminum Mitzone gasket, and I'm gonna use the cover. So I'll keep you guys updated. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. What is going on YouTube? Murderkiss back here, and it is 3:52. Got the aux. Guys, look at my hand. I don't know if you can see. Not trying to scare you guys, but that's from the valve cover job I just did. I mean, I guess I could have wore gloves and stuff, but honestly, I needed my like fingertips to feel. Let's just show you how crazy this was. This is probably one of the hardest jobs I've ever done. Uh-oh. Let's see. It's still locked in. See if that got it. There we go. There it is. That's the new gasket that I put in. Let me get a look at that. So that orange piece, this is actually an upgraded valve cover. It was $160 on Amazon, and let me give you a look over there. I was leaking a lot of oil. If you can see that bottom piece right there, it's just covered in oil. I tried cleaning it as much as I could. Used brake cleaner and stuff. I had this whole cover off. Pretty much literally everything. I had to take this bar, support bar off, all the cables, had to disconnect. I did the method. I'll shout out his YouTube. That was mostly the guide I followed. I believe it started with a Z. Thank you, dude. I think he lives out on the West Coast. Helped me fix this car, and it runs so much better. Got a new oil cap, and yeah, that took about 3 days, give or take. Does not take 6 hours unless you're like a skilled mechanic. It took me like 3 days to do it. Also, there's a Valvetronic motor right there, and when you take it out, when you torque it, I believe it was like clockwise to just retract it, and then when you put it back in, make sure you reverse. So like I believe it was like counterclockwise. It was either or, vice versa. But once you hear a click, it goes back into the motor. It works. If you don't, you'll run into codes. I had a code. I was freaking out. It was in limp mode, and I just realized I didn't put it back in, and then boom, heard the little click, and now it's running in tip-top shape. And I was leaking really bad in the back right there. So bad it was going into the cabin. And here is the new valve cover, or the old valve cover, excuse me. And as you can see, it's just covered in oil. It's just covered in oil, and the bolts, as you can see, are just so old. So I'm gonna go dispose of this at the recycle center. Please like this video. I'm definitely gonna make some more Beamer content. I mean, yeah, it looks really good so far. So thank you for watching.